Hey guys, how you doing? It's Duncan here at Holy Basil Thai in Croydon, and I'm here with another really simple salad. Now this salad is very special to me. You know why? Because it's my mum's salad. There is not a family function, a Christmas, a birthday, without this particular salad put on the table. And if it's not there, we all look at mum and go, hey, where's our salad? So this is it. This one's for you, mum. Now this is also an Italian-inspired salad. In fact, a lot of you might not realise, but when I was young, I actually did my apprenticeship in Italian food. And one thing I learned was flavour, combinations of flavour, but also the colour. And my boss once said to me, Duncan, in fact he said Duncan, but he said Duncan. The Italian flag is all you need to remember. The colours, red, white and green. You put those into food, they're gonna look beautiful. And when you see this at the end, you'll see those three colours in all their glory. Very, very simple. I've got here a plate of grilled eggplant. Now this eggplant just simply oiled and then onto a hot grill and then let go completely cold. That's the base of our salad. It's just going to lay there. Then we're going to put on a layer of tomato. We're just going to take some tomato and cut it the same thickness as we cut the eggplant. We're then going to take a few garlic cloves and then very, very finely slice them. And then with that sliced garlic, our sliced tomatoes, and a few anchovies, we're going to lay them on top. Okay, that is the base of the salad done. Now we're just going to make a very simple dressing. So a simple vinaigrette starts off with 3 parts olive oil, and then we're going to place in 1 part balsamic vinegar. Now the balsamic vinegar is a lovely rich vinegar, and it's got a lovely color as well on the salad. So we put those together, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then just simply stir that together. This is not an emulsified dressing, it's just simply stirred together, and then we drizzle that over the eggplant, the tomato, and the anchovies. Then, to finish that off, we've got these lovely little tiny baby bell bocconcini, which is a fresh mozzarella. I'm just going to tear those and put those on top. Now the reason why I put the dressing on first is I don't want that balsamic vinegar to stain the cheese. I want it to stand out nice and white on top of the other ingredients there. Then, after you've put on the bocconcini, we put on some fresh, sweet Italian basil. The Italian basil leaves can just be sprinkled here and there, just for some color, and the flavor of the sweet basil with the salty anchovies, that nice creamy cheese. I think that's the quickest dish I've ever done. As you can see, lots of beautiful color, a simple dressing of balsamic vinegar and olive oil, some salt and pepper, lovely, fresh, great summertime dish. Thank you, Mum. This one's for you.